Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my sourdough discard garlic naan. In the bowl of our stand mixer, we'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a half a cup of unsweetened plant milk. Then we're going to add a whole cup of sourdough discard. Mine is very runny. So we'll turn on the mixer at a low speed with the dough hook attached. And we'll start low until the flour is more incorporated, and then we'll slowly raise it up till we get to a medium-high speed. We're going to want to add flour 2 tablespoons at a time as needed to help the dough come together. This dough will be pretty tacky and sticky, so use wet hands to roll it into a ball. Coat the mixing bowl in a little oil, place the ball of dough back inside and cover it with a wet towel. Let the dough sit for an hour. After 1 hour, we will place the dough on a floured surface and cut it with a bench scraper into 8 relatively even pieces. Take each piece and roll it into a ball and lightly coat it in flour. Place on a sheet pan with parchment paper or a silicone mat and cover with a wet towel to let it rest for 30 minutes. During this time, we're going to start our garlic butter to brush on top of the naan, because that's the best part. You'll need about a 1/4 cup of butter, and I'm using 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, but measure the garlic with your heart. In a small bowl, we will combine the butter and press all that garlic cloves that we press with our garlic press. We're going to microwave it for 30 seconds, just until the butter is melted through completely. After the 30 minutes are up, get a skillet or another flat pan. I'm using my tortilla pan for this. Place it on the stove and turn the heat to medium. On a lightly floured work surface, take a ball of dough, keeping the others covered, and roll it out to as thin as you can without it tearing the dough. Place it on the hot pan and cook on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. If your pan is not nonstick, you might want to use some oil. You want to cook it until you start to see bubbles forming, then flip. Cook this to your desired brownness. I prefer very charred parts myself. Remove from the heat and onto a separate plate. Go ahead and roll out another ball and put that one on the heat. Then take a pastry brush and brush on the garlic butter to the still warm, already cooked naan. Keep repeating this process with all of your dough balls. These are best served right away, but you can freeze these and they are just as delicious reheated. Enjoy!